Forget oil. The next global power struggle may be over something far smaller. Computer chips. Artificial intelligence is exploding, and every powerful AI system depends on one thing: advanced chips. And one company became the symbol of this revolution: NVIDIA. These tiny pieces of silicon can perform calculations at a scale that would have seemed impossible just years ago. And that demand has turned the AI chip industry into a race worth hundreds of billions of dollars. America knows that controlling advanced chips could mean controlling the next generation of technology. So billions are flowing into new chip factories, advanced manufacturing, and the infrastructure behind AI. But America cannot build the entire supply chain alone. Modern chips depend on a global network of companies, factories, machines, and materials. And some of the most important machines used to make these chips come from a single European company.
Without the world's most advanced lithography technology, producing cutting-edge chips becomes dramatically harder.
But making the chip is only half the story. AI needs enormous computing power to use it. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta are all racing to build more AI infrastructure. And all those computers need something else, in massive quantities: electricity.
That is why AI is creating a new race. Not just for chips, but for power, factories, and land.
And there is another reason this race matters. China is pushing aggressively to build its own AI chip ecosystem. This has turned semiconductor technology into one of the most important strategic battles on Earth. Washington has responded with restrictions designed to limit China's access to the most advanced AI chips and technology. Because whoever leads in advanced computing could gain an enormous advantage in AI, science, defense, and industry. And this race is only getting started. The question is no longer who invented AI, but who will control the technology that powers it.